Want to make cleaning faster and easier with your pressure washer? Today, I've got the 5 best pressure washer brushes that can help you tackle dirt, grime, and tough stains like a pro. From car washing to patio scrubbing, I'll break down what makes each brush effective, and yes, I'll share the pros and cons so you know exactly what to expect. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick. Camco RV Flow-Through Wash Brush. The Camco RV Flow-Through Wash Brush is a convenient tool for keeping RVs, cars, and boats clean without much hassle. The adjustable handle makes it easy to reach higher spots, and the soft bristles are effective at removing dirt while being gentle on surfaces. The standard garden hose connection is a big plus, and the built-in on-off button to control water flow adds convenience, saving both time and water. It feels sturdy and practical for regular use. On the downside, the brush head could be a bit wider for covering larger areas faster. Overall, it's a reliable and user-friendly wash brush for everyday cleaning needs. Number 2. My second best pick, Sunjoe SPX RB1 Rotary Wash Brush. The Sunjoe SPX RB1 Rotary Wash Brush Kit is a handy attachment for SPX series pressure washers, especially if you want a deeper clean with less effort. The rotating bristles do a great job of scrubbing away dirt and grime on cars, siding, and outdoor furniture without being too harsh on surfaces. It's lightweight, easy to attach, and makes cleaning quicker compared to a standard spray nozzle. The gentle rotation helps lift stubborn dirt while still being safe for paint and finishes. One drawback is that it's designed specifically for Sunjoe models, so compatibility is limited. Overall, it's a useful, efficient add-on for Sunjoe pressure washer owners. Number 3. My third best pick, Sunjoe SPX ACS Max Auto Cleaning System. The Sunjoe SPX ACS Max Auto Cleaning System is a versatile kit that makes vehicle and outdoor cleaning much easier. It includes a rotating brush, feather brush, wool brush, turbo nozzle, cloths, and adapters, giving you all the tools you need for different cleaning jobs. The brushes are gentle yet effective, safe for car paint while still powerful enough to scrub away grime. The universal adapters are a big plus, letting you use the kit with most pressure washer brands up to 3,500 psi. One downside is that the rotating brush can lose some speed with very high pressure washers. Overall, it's a convenient all-in-one cleaning solution with great value. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Karcher Rotating Wash Brush. The Karcher Rotating Wash Brush is a useful attachment for anyone who wants to get more out of their electric pressure washer. The rotating bristles provide gentle yet effective cleaning, making it ideal for cars, windows, and other delicate surfaces that can't handle direct high-pressure spray. It's easy to attach and feels sturdy during use, helping reduce scrubbing time while still protecting finishes. The rotation adds extra cleaning power, especially on stubborn dirt and road film. One drawback is that it's designed primarily for Karcher models, so compatibility with other brands is limited. Overall, it's a reliable add-on that makes cleaning smoother and more efficient. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Karcher PS40 Power Scrubber Brush. The Karcher PS40 Power Scrubber is a great extension for K2, K5 electric pressure washers, designed to make tough cleaning jobs much easier. With its 3 built-in high-pressure nozzles and scrubbing bristles, it's perfect for removing dirt and grime from patios, decks, driveways, and garage floors. The broom-style design covers more area than a standard nozzle, which saves time on larger surfaces. It's sturdy, easy to attach, and works well for heavy-duty outdoor cleaning. One downside is that it can feel a bit bulky in tighter spaces, making it less ideal for small corners. Overall, it's a powerful and efficient tool for deep outdoor cleaning. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite pressure washer brushes? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.